ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯂꯧꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕꯅꯤ. Amen. Thank you, Noli Directory, for invoking the blessing upon this program and entrusting today's gathering into this greater sense. Now, as a council, let us unite our voices together through slogans that reflect the sentiments of the people. Odi ayana slogan se law really adu mi ayana ay law mi badula loy ay ko to to Let's all rise up and sing our solidarity to fight injustice and to seek justice. I requested each and everyone to kindly stand up so that we help our slogans and raise our voices. I'm first Sapide, doing a routine I will follow from you. I'll tell the words and you kindly repeat after me. First, I'll let you know the words and you kindly follow me after I count out. Are we united? Yes, we are united. That's what you have to give me the answer. Are we united? Are we united? My countrymen, are we united? Do we want justice? Do we want justice? Do we want justice? What do we want? What do we want? Justice delayed. Justice denied. Justice delayed. Justice delayed. Six brothers missing. Bring them home safely. Six brothers missing. Bring them home safely. Six brothers missing. Humanity first. Release them now. Humanity first. Humanity first. Humanity first. We stand for justice. We stand for justice. We stand for justice. No more distorted lives. Justice. No more justice. No more distorted lives. Truth cannot be buried. Justice. We want. We want. Justice delayed. Justice denied. Thank you everyone for giving heart and soul together to put forward our slogans. You can kindly take your seats now. We all are aware and we all very know very well that truth never loses its faith and God never abandons the cries of the suffering. Thank you everyone for raising your voices with unity and conviction. Let's proceed to the next item. We shall now proceed further with the program for the short speech. May I respectfully invite Inoli Mikhail Tawang, President, Telegram Movement Unit, Senapati Zone, to kindly address the gathering.
Wadiang pambilika ako'y nagagi. Imahin, amasong ikaransu. Ikway kong namapo. Ako'y asing kamibase, ako'y numayin na kamanakis. Ako'y kumoy sokto na. Pitara na, manong na, awag sa tondok kumangga ka ako'y nangso. Hana na mga sabi sa akin, hana na ako'y sa kamibase. Ako'y kumoy mga asawa kaya. Ako'y kumoy mga mahal kaya. Ako'y kamibase. Aduna. Ako'y hindi mayang, ako'y nagamayang, blessings kurang pinabat. Ako'y nakali. Indian government, central government, state government, kami kawira. Ako'y person ko. Ako'y naamoy, negative, lalit ang mga matandang. Government, asili. Ako'y protection, diba? Dahil, ako'y niya, nalusin. Ato kung nasili ka tayo na tayo. Ay kung hindi ka, ina, ikaw, para nila kasi yung matanda, kaya yung government, tumilalik ka pa. Ay kung mga action ba, justice of the Kopya, nagkarti. Ay kung kansiyo, ay kung sa kagli, ay kung late panayon, ay kung loy panayon. Ay kung citizens are not welcome to be used in country. There are sons, there are brothers, there are fathers, and anyone member of our community. I call citizenship, I call citizenship, I call I call you, we have our fundamental right to live without fear. Adun dito, central government na tao dito. Stop being silent. How about true that confederation? They can protect our people and bring them home safely as ito di pangalan ko. Kapag ito diba ito okay, hostel ko nila diba, yung mag-edit mo na nila nila. Yakot! Itong binasado nila, awa namin sa kapatang nila. Kalupalayan, nawayang, inilang, soket. At nag-email, government, nagsasabi ko, mo sa kapito nila. Kalipitong nila nila. Ay, kung namin po ang sige, wala kayo sa kanila, ito na kanili, mas nila ako na mamipang, at ito nila nila. At na, saya nagiging mo, ay pwede, pastor, itininaw, habi diba, hostel ko na nagiging dito. Srila, mayunda, kung anay, ito na, panda na, habi ako, yawgan niyo, ay pwede palaw. Ay pwede kasi, habi ba kasi, ay pwede habi mo na pamanate. Ay pwede niyo, wahangge, hanap pamanate. Ay pwede kasi, habi ba kasi, justice, kurapyo, hindi ito, kayo. I pray let us not remain flat, stay united and hold the line until our demands are met. Thank you. Your picture is printed about and encourage us to remain united in a pursuit of justice. Thank you. We shall not hear the address of today's in progress, the memorandum to be submitted to the Chief Minister through Deputy Commissioner of Senapati by Madam Anna.
Hello, good morning everyone. Wasi presentation period of Wasi Manipur Chief Minister CM Wasi Miyam Nakita Nama Martin Nakula Miyam Di Kolum Atu Apam Badu Manipur CM Kaya Politika Igi Dada Papak Sare has commissioners Senapati district DC the through Mali to the CM Tunsiri Yunam Kingsam Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur. Through the deputy commissioner Senapati district. Subject 1. Immediate and safe release of the 6 Nanga hostages. 2. Immediate arrest and prosecutions of Mr. Lamboy Vaite, the village chief, and all individuals, militants groups, and habitants involved in the hostage-taking incidents at Lalong Vaite village. Honorable Sir, we the Senapati District Women Association with heavy heart submit this representation before you esteemed office regarding the implement incident involving the abduction and continued captivity of 6 innocent Naga civilians at Lailong Vaite village. On the fateful day of 13 May 2026, 3 innocent church leaders belonging to the Khada community were attacked and brutally murdered. We strongly condemn the killing of the 3 church leaders and firmly believe that the perpetrators must be identified and punished in accordance with the law. However, we are deeply disturbed by the act committed against innocent Naga civilians who had absolutely no connection with the unfortunate incident. Following the incident, the Deputy MP Manipur issued a condemnation statement within a remarkable short span of time in just within 2 hours. And the statement bore the date 6 May 2026, which has raised serious suspicions that the condemnation release may have been prepared prior to the incident. After the attack and killing of the Khada church leaders, 20 innocent Nagas were taken hostage. 2 at Sapramina and the remaining 18 at Lailong Vaite village. The abduction at Lailong Vaite village was carried out by the villagers under the leadership of Lamboy Vaite, the village chief, and the victims were subsequently handed over to the armed Kuki militants by the women force. All the 14 hostages have been released. 6 innocent Nagas continue to remain in captivity till today under the custody of the armed Kuki militants. The wives, generals, parents, brothers and sisters of the victims are living in constraint, fear, pain, and uncertainty, while awaiting the safe return of their loved ones. Such unlawful detection and hostage-taking of innocent civilians constitute grave violence of human rights, constitutional values, and the rules of the law. It is extremely unfortunate and alarming that despite the lapse of several years, the state government has not yet been able to secure the safe release of the 6 hostages. Therefore, through this representation, we earnestly urge the good office to take immediate and effective steps to ensure the safe and unconditionally release of the 6 Naga hostages at the earliest. We further request your acting office to identify, arrest, and prosecute all individuals, militant groups, and other groups involved in the hostage-taking incident strictly in accordance with the law. We sincerely hope and trust that your acting office will treat this matter with the utmost urgency and seriousness in the interest of the justice and humanity. Your faithfully, R.M. Hannah, President of the District Women Association, SCWA. Thank you. Thank you, Inoli, our President Akiva, for reading out our grievances and demands. Before we come to the legislative round, I would like to inform to all the participants, to all my countrymen, that as soon as we finish our prayer, we will not disperse from here, but we will proceed to the DC office to submit our memorandum together. So, once again, I requested to all my fellow Senapatians, my Naga brothers and sisters, that we will march together right after the valedictory prayer, and we will submit our memorandum together. As we come to the close of today's program, there's a slight change and slight hiccup. We will shout the slogan again, so that we will rise our intentions and we will rise our wants and let the whole world know what we are in for today. Holding among every slogan, law of authority. I requested all the countrymen to kindly come down for those who are staying in the verandas, so that we will shout again. We will raise our voices again. Please, may I request again to all those bystanders who stay on the veranda to kindly come down to near the traffic point, so we will stand together and shout our voices and rise our voices together. And with the umbrella, now we will rise with our umbrella together. Umbrella, baik pagpagtiyo, umbrella dahil na every narrative. I'm so sorry, we'll kindly put on umbrella. And let our placards be the symbol that we are heard and where justice is being denied. Anh là lâu đi, người là cứ sáng là lâu đi với nhau. Người là cứ thằng dulu, aduga. Otherwise, of course, I will be going to with you. When I say we want, you all shout justice. We want, you all shout justice again, okay? Justice delayed is, and you say justice denied. When I say justice delayed is, you say justice denied. I'll repeat. Whoever pick slogans, will you please rise up and shout with the slogans? Viva your family.